Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I don't know if you guys ever experienced this, but if you ever had any of your stuff hacked, it's kind of scary. About a year ago, I had somebody hacked into my Cash App account. And I think it was like in May, maybe the middle of May of 2021. And when they hacked into my account, my Cash App account, they started buying all this cryptocurrency and all these other things. And I'm going to show you my Cash App and what happened. They also got control of my email address. And the email address I used was AOL. And some of you younger people probably don't know what AOL is. It's America Online. I've had this account since 1990. So close to 24, 25 years. So they got control of my email address. So when I was on Cash App trying to figure out what was going on, while I was actually holding my phone up, I can see them moving and changing my information. And what I was trying to do, I was trying to update, change my email address. They went in and changed the telephone number, email address. So every time I went in to try to retrieve my AOL, my Cash App account, I wasn't able to do it because they said the email address I put in was wrong. And somehow this particular person right here got control of my email and my telephone number and my Cash App. So every time I went in and changed it, they would change it right back. And the thing about it, and it took probably about a month and a half, 2 months to get this sorted out. But I'll tell you what I had to do. But what made it really scary was that one night, about 2 weeks after this happened, I was laying down, me and my wife, in the bed, and about 12 o'clock midnight, I got a phone. It was like a overseas number from somebody from Nigeria. I got a phone call. And what happened, this person that was on the phone, he said, well, I got your information. I've hacked your account. And he actually told me my passcodes that I was using for my AOL and my Cash App. And that was kind of scary because if he get control of my AOL, and that's where I was sending all of my emails and stuff, and that's how all of my accounts was linked to. And so I went in and I had to get up at midnight. And what I did, I got control of my AOL and I did the two-step verification. So I had to log on and do my two-step verification. And what I did also on my YouTube and on my other stuff, I put a two-step verification to where if you log in, they got to send a message and then you have to enter a code. But I'm telling you guys, put you a two-step verification on all your accounts so that if someone get into it, they will have to either verify you by either another email address or by a text message. And that's very important. And I also got me the McAfee antivirus because I thought my computer and everything was McAfee is great because you can call them, their customer service pickup, and you can give them control of your computer, and they can go in and check out all your settings. It's very awesome. For the money, sometimes it's best to pay for a little security. But I'm going to show you what transactions they did here on my Cash App. So I'm going to go over in here to my Cash App, and it happened around May. Let me go down to May. You see this particular person right here called Thomas. Somehow this person got control of my Cash App, and that person was changing back and forth. We sent them messages. They never responded. But look at all these transactions. And the bad thing about Cash App is that it's hard to speak to someone on the phone. So I did get a hold of somebody on the phone, and I used this particular number right here. And I told them what happened. So they asked me to send them a transaction of all what happened. So what I had to do was get a spreadsheet, and I showed them all of this information right here. You see on this spreadsheet, all these transactions. Look at them. They was happening. Look on the 11th of June. Look how many transactions. They was going back and forth with Bitcoin and trading. I ended up losing about $2,000. But after about a month and a half, 2 months going back and forth with Cash App, I was able to retrieve my money. And yeah, I did get all my money back. Plus, I probably got a little extra. I'm not for sure. But I did end up getting my money back. But those are the transactions there on the spreadsheet. So if this ever happened to you, you know, it's a scary thing. Put your two-step verification on so that, hey, if somebody log into your account, that you get a verification and on your email or text message that you can verify this. You know, it's sad we have to go through all of this. It's some bad people out there, and they're pretty smart and they know how to log on and get control of your information. So some kind of way, try to protect yourself and use a two-step verification. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.